I forgive you.
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 I forgive you, Vince.
You didn't know, so I forgive you.
Can you forgive me?
I forgive you, Dad.
Forgive me, Father. Of course.
You hit me in the head with a guitar.
I regret the guitar.
Okay, I forgive you.
Oh, yeah. You're right, Donkey. I forgive you.
For stabbing me in the back!
Well, I'm not your final judge and jury. But I forgive you, Daddy.
Forgive me.
I forgive you.
I'm calling you because I've been thinking, and I forgive you.
And you forgive me for that?
Why do you ask?
Because I forgive you for this.
I'm sorry, Harry. I failed you again.
It's okay, Lloyd. I forgive you.
I must go very soon, my love. Please forgive me.
Of course, I forgive you.
I've been thinking about this a lot, Trooper. And the only thing I want to say to you is I forgive you.
You forgive me? Oh, boy. For what? For being rad as shit? Fuck you, fat boy. Still a scared little bitch.